How do you know if there's any issues with the house you're considering buying? Can you get a home inspection done before you buy? Danny Talks Real Estate starts now. Welcome back. I'm Danny Lopez, realtor and host of Danny Talks Real Estate, where I bring you interviews, insights, and tips regarding all things real estate before, during, and after the sale. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more valuable real estate content. When you enter into an agreement to purchase a home, you have 10 days to have your home inspections completed. That's your home, termite, and any other inspections needed. This is known as a 10-day buyer inspection period. You have 10 consecutive days to complete all inspections necessary. The 10-day buyer inspection period is also a due diligence period for you to check out any pertinent facts about the home and the area that may be important to you. You should check out the neighborhood and any surrounding areas, check out the schools, review the HOA rules and regulations, etc., etc. Check out anything that may be a concern to you during this 10-day buyer inspection period and due diligence period. After your inspections have been completed, your agent will complete a form called the Residential Buyer Inspection Notice and Seller's Response, or BINSR as we like to call it. The options for you as the buyer on this form are A, to accept the premises as is with no corrections necessary, B, reject the property and immediately cancel the contract, and C, provide the sellers an opportunity to correct a list of requested repairs. If you accept the property as is with no repairs, the inspection period is complete. If you find something that is a concern to you either with the house or discover something that may negatively impact you living there and you choose to cancel at this point, you will have your earnest money fully refunded to you. You can click the link above to watch my video on what is earnest money and why you need it. If you choose to request repairs to be done by the seller, you specify the repairs on this form and submit it to the sellers. This has to be done before day 10. Once the seller has received your requested repairs, they have 5 days to respond to your request. This allows them to consider cost and perhaps obtain estimates for your requested repairs. The seller's options to respond to your request are A, agree to make all requested repairs, B, the seller is unwilling or unable to make any repairs, or C, the seller can provide a written response, at which point they generally use this to note any repairs that they will do or won't do. Once the sellers respond, and they have to respond within 5 days, they submit the response back to your buyer's agent. Your options after receiving the seller's response are A, accept the seller's response, or B, cancel the contract if you don't find the seller's response acceptable. If you accept the seller's response, the inspection period is now considered complete and this series of negotiations are done. You are now moving toward a close. The seller has until 3 days before closing to complete the requested repairs. You can schedule your inspector to come back and check the repairs to make sure they've been properly completed. If everything looks good, sit back, relax, and wait for moving day. Well, that wraps up episode 23 of Danny Talks Real Estate. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share on Facebook, and keep those questions and comments coming. I'm happy to respond. Remember, when it comes to real estate, experience matters. Until next time.